In 2250, Earth is a poisoned tomb. But within our walls, life endures. This is my fight, our last hope.
He said my name before I told him, and then he gave me the chip that could burn Neo-Eden to the ground. They weren't just hoarding food, they were rewriting life itself, and I was part of the blueprint. They tagged me, branded me like their crops. Only difference, I can still fight back. They weren't looking for anyone, they were looking for me. The air burned, the water burned, my lungs burned, but the truth burned worst of all. He risked his life to get me this far. That meant I couldn't let him die here. If they're waiting at the top, this chip dies before I do. Too quiet. In this city, quiet is the sound of a trap closing. They didn't send farmers after me, they sent hunters. Not water, not storage, something alive and sleeping, or pretending to. That's a hand. God help me, that's a hand. Someone's here, not a drone. The steps are too slow, too deliberate. Not regular security. This is a keeper. They don't patrol, they protect. And now, they're protecting from me. Run or die, I didn't have to think twice. Whatever's in those tanks, it's worth dying for. Which means, it's worth stealing. Too close. Another second and I'd be a smear on the floor. And that's when I realized I wasn't the only thing that escaped tonight. Data first, questions later. Survival always. Please be a guard. Please don't be what I think it is. If it wants out, it'll have to claw through steel, which it probably can. I should have left. I should have run, but curiosity has a habit of getting me killed. Not a guard, not a scavenger, not human anymore. First rule out here, never wait for the handshake. Gone, but not gone. Things like that, they always come back. Barricades buy time, nothing more. If Luck's still alive, maybe she's hiding in here. Food, real food, which means someone will kill me for it. She's back. This isn't a scavenger, this is a message. Too fast, too close. If I can't kill it, I can trip it. Priorities, always priorities. Of course, they built it. Gravity's the only ally I've got left. I don't win fights, I just live through them. No point looking back. Ash is ash. Too organized for scavengers, too late for help.
They came to collect their pet. This wasn't an attack, it was a test run. Let's hear what the hunters say when they think no one's listening. Phase 3. That means there was a 1 and a 2. If they're moving assets there, it's not random, it's a plan. Whatever's in that box, it wasn't grown, it was made. Weaponized decay. They're farming death. Time to move before the game board changes again. One wrong move and I'm the next specimen. They're sweeping the perimeter. They know someone's here. Chase the bait, not the man holding it. Every second bought is a second to live. Follow the predator long enough, you'll find its den. Patience over speed. One heartbeat too loud, and they'll feel it. That bridge died 2 centuries ago, but someone still guards it. Crates again. Same markings, same poison. That's not fertilizer. That's something alive. They're not just engineering crops, they're growing predators. Something's loose, and it's not supposed to be. Chaos is the best camouflage. If they're heading to the breach, I'll see it before they do. And if I'm wrong, I won't live to regret it. This road. It's carved for secrecy, not trade. Looks like an outpost, but why bury it this deep? Whatever's inside, they're tracking it. And whatever it is, it's awake. This isn't a drill. Fear opens more doors than any key. There, moving wrong, moving fast. That's not from this planet. They're not trying to kill it, they're trying to hurt it. I've heard that sound before, in the labs. Specimen 14. This thing wasn't bred to escape, it was bred to hunt. I can't fight it, but maybe I can lock it in. Come on, there has to be a kill switch. If I time this right, I can trap it inside the yard. Too strong, too fast. Got you. Or maybe not. Run or shoot. Either way, this ends tonight. Specimen 14, let's finish this.
Another day done. More work tomorrow. Until then, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next log.